Today we are going to
M&M
colors. Yay!
Alright, so what we have today is M&Ms on a plate in a circle. And if you look at that, what we're going to do now is we're going to take this water and we're going to pour it in the middle of the plate.
Okay. Pour the water. A little bit?
Yep, in the middle of the plate.
Okay.
A little more.
A little bit more. Okay.
Good.
Good. Wait.
Now wait just a minute.
Wait. 待ってね。何が起こるかな? What's gonna happen?
You should see
What's gonna happen?
the colors
Look, Kimmy.
start to move.
Wow.
Don't touch, don't touch.
Not yet, not yet. Look, Kimmy, look. So many colors just came out. Look.
Hold on, eat one off the table, not the plate.
No. Just pick one this way.
Hey, Kimmy, you want to eat one? Okay, go ahead.
Kimmy? So, I will put this one here. Okay. Look.
All right, watch. It's making a
wow. Kimmy, same for your hair. Rainbow. Wow. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Look. Almost done. Look. Wow. Beautiful. So the how?
That is
Is it
an
cool?
M&M Rainbow.
Wow. Yes. Yes. Yummy.
Is that cool?
Yeah.